Today we're unboxing and checking out some Rainbow Six Siege keycaps, and these are designed and produced by GMK in Germany, and it's official merchandise called CYL 6 Siege Winner Circle. And they're premium double-shot ABS plastic 1.5mm thick, and they're compatible with MX switches. And they come in a nice box with 6 Siege Winner Circle written on the front there, and inside you've got 2 trays of keycaps. And although every key actually has a specific spot inside this box, they obviously did get bounced around quite a bit, and you can see that quite a few have managed to move. Now at this point, I had no idea there was a second tray under this. We'll get to that shortly, but it comes with a little message saying thank you for your purchase and joining the community. Of course, in this case, I was sent this for free. And this is actually the first time I've ever checked out a keycap set. Now, at this point, I started putting the keys on the keyboard, but I was like missing a 6. And that's when I realized there was a whole extra tray to this, with alternative keycaps for like arrow keys, a different spacebar configuration, and just different keys to fill in all the different potentials that there might be on different keyboards. And here is the final piece. So this is actually on an NZXT Function 2 Mini TKL keyboard. And I'll have to admit something at this point. So when I first got informed about these keycaps, I was like, cool, I'd love to check these out. But I thought I'll do a giveaway because they're not really my style. I'm very simple. I usually go for black when it comes to anything really. And I put these on and I was like, I'm going to keep them because they actually look really, really good. So they're very interesting because they've got a weird metallic gold sheen to them. And this is how their pigment has kind of been set up. So they are obviously cream and gold as their main kind of base colors for the different keycaps, but they have this unusual kind of sheen to them. When the light hits them, they look kind of very interesting. I think this would actually go incredibly good with like a sleeper build, like if you were making a subtle beige sleeper build, because most of the time these keycaps look very normal, kind of creamy and gold, but then the light hits them and you get the actual gold reflectivity of them, and they're cool. And totally not my normal taste. If you ever look at me like going over battle pass items in Rainbow Six Siege, I'm usually very basic in what I like. And this is not my usual style, but they look so good. I'll also mention that there's no transparency to them, so no RGB is going to go through the actual keycaps themselves. But I think they're probably showy enough without RGB coming through. So yeah, I'm really impressed with these. Now, of course, these are not cheap. They're made in Germany. They're a licensed product as well, which puts the price up again. But I will say I really do like them. And this set as well doesn't have a numpad selection. So if you've got a full-size keyboard with numpad, you don't have all the keys here needed for it. But for a keyboard like this, it is absolutely stunning. So you'll find a link in the description below to go and buy this if you like it yourself.